Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Reach in behind the right-hand suspension strut upper mounting and remove the pollen filter element from the heating ventilation housing intake. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Insert the new filter element into the housing with the stepped side uppermost. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.